you ready to unleash the full potential of your Mac? Welcome to our ultimate guide on optimizing your Mac's performance. Whether you're a creative professional, a student, or an everyday user, mastering these techniques will transform the way you experience your Mac. Hello and welcome! I'm thrilled to guide you through the best practices and troubleshooting methods to maximize your Mac's efficiency. Let's dive in! To begin our journey, let's explore the fundamental best practices for optimizing your Mac. From managing storage and cleaning up disk space to fine-tuning settings for peak performance, these practices will ensure your Mac operates at its best. Encountering glitches or slowdowns? In the event of encountering common issues like slow performance or software glitches, understanding troubleshooting methods is crucial. We'll delve into identifying root causes, utilizing built-in diagnostics tools, and seeking effective solutions to these issues. Empower yourself with knowledge on how to troubleshoot common Mac issues. By understanding the diagnostic tools and practical steps, you can quickly resolve these problems, ensuring a hassle-free experience with your Mac. Advance your Mac experience by exploring hidden features and advanced techniques. This includes optimizing system preferences, utilizing terminal commands, and streamlining background processes to maximize efficiency. Unlock the full potential of your Mac by exploring and implementing these advanced tips. Discovering hidden features and executing advanced techniques can significantly elevate your user experience. Optimizing your Mac's startup processes is pivotal for a faster boot up. We'll delve into controlling login items, managing launch agents, and prioritizing essential applications for a quicker and smoother startup. By managing what launches at startup, you can significantly reduce boot time and streamline your Mac's performance. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a faster and more efficient startup. Ensuring your Mac's security is paramount in the digital landscape. We'll explore the significance of setting up firewalls, using reliable antivirus software, and practicing safe browsing habits for a protected Mac. Security is key, and we'll guide you through implementing vital security measures to keep your Mac safe from potential threats. Understanding and applying these practices is crucial for a secure computing experience. Personalize your Mac experience by exploring and customizing system preferences. We'll cover adjustments in appearance, functionality, and accessibility, allowing you to tailor your Mac to suit your specific needs. Explore the myriad of options available to personalize your Mac. By customizing preferences, you can enhance your workflow and make your Mac work precisely how you want it to. Efficiency is at your fingertips with keyboard shortcuts. We'll delve into a vast array of shortcuts for system navigation, application control, and text editing, empowering you to boost productivity and ease of use. Discover a multitude of time-saving keyboard shortcuts that will streamline your workflow and make navigating your Mac a breeze. Mastering these shortcuts can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency. Seamlessly sync data across your Apple devices using iCloud and other synchronization methods. Learn the importance of syncing settings, documents, and data to ensure continuity and accessibility across various devices. Explore the functionalities of iCloud and synchronization methods to effectively access your data from different devices. Understanding and utilizing these features can simplify your workflow and ensure consistent access to your information. Maximize your Mac's battery life by implementing effective maintenance techniques. Learn best practices for managing battery cycles, optimizing power settings, and preserving your battery's health for prolonged longevity. Understanding how to maintain your battery's health is essential for its long-term performance. We'll guide you through methods to optimize battery life and ensure your Mac's battery remains in top condition. Back up your Mac effortlessly using Time Machine for secure data preservation. Delve into the importance of regular backups and how Time Machine ensures your data remains safe and easily recoverable. Learn the intricacies of Time Machine and the significance of consistent backups. This ensures your data is secure and allows for easy recovery in case of unforeseen circumstances. Explore the extensive range of system preferences available on your Mac. We'll delve into each category, providing insights on how to configure and personalize your settings for an optimized experience. System preferences offer a wide array of settings that can tailor your Mac experience to suit your specific needs. Understanding and customizing these preferences will ensure your Mac operates just the way you want it to. Customize your Mac's display settings for an optimal visual experience. Learn about resolution, color calibration, and various display settings to enhance your viewing experience. Understanding and tweaking display settings can significantly improve how you interact with your Mac. We'll guide you through optimizing your display settings to suit your preferences and improve visual clarity. For creatives, enhancing performance with resource-intensive applications is vital. Discover specific techniques to optimize performance when using creative software. Explore tailored tips and tricks designed to maximize performance when using demanding creative applications. Optimizing your system for these applications can vastly improve your workflow and productivity. Unleash the power of the terminal for advanced control and customization. We'll dive into using commands and scripts to fine-tune your Mac for advanced users. For those seeking advanced control, the terminal offers extensive capabilities. Learn how to navigate and leverage the terminal effectively for increased customization and control over your Mac. Explore remote access and connectivity options for your Mac. Learn about accessing your Mac from various locations and ensuring a seamless remote experience. Discover options that enable remote access and connectivity, ensuring you can easily access your Mac from anywhere. Understanding these options can provide flexibility and convenience in your computing experience. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey to optimize your Mac's performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy optimizing!